If you are frustrated by how low points that you get and you want to make a new team or reset a team, you are in the right place. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to reset a team on Fantasy Premier League. So at first, you are going to go to your browser because it is not possible with your Premier League app. So you go there and you're going to click on fantasy.premierleague.com and you're going to log in into your account and you're going to go to Fantasy. You're going to click on points, and after you scroll down a little, you can see that there will be user profile right here under admin. You're going to click on that, and after you scroll down a little, you can see delete your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to delete this account and you're going to create a new one, which is the only recent thing or the closest thing you can do by resetting an account. So you're going to click or enter your password here, and after you confirm password, your account will be deleted. And if you want to recover it, you can recover it within 21 days, or it will be permanently deleted and you can reset your team all over again. So I believe I've taught you guys something, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.